Naivasha prisons, and it will be very, very accessible to all members of the public, all walks of life.
The National Olympic Committee of Kenya, NOCK, will set up a high-performance training center at Kenyatta University. According to NOCK, Secretary John Ogola, the Olympic sports umbrella body will partner with the university in setting up the facility.
We are not going to do guesswork. We now have a way we've learned how to plan, structure, and prepare athletes for the major games.
This program that is being run today and will continue running will be instrumental in building the number of women coaches, not only for the LA 2028, but also Brisbane 2032.
Sports now is very technical, a lot of learnings, there's AI involved, technology, so we want to impart all this knowledge on the national team head coaches and directors so that every federation is uplifted and upskilled.
We don't want to use only the manual way, like training hard and win easy. We want to see what it entails to use the scientific methods to achieve that. We cannot achieve that unless also we empower the technical side of the federations, that is coaches, technical officials, and all other support personnel to ensure that they also match with the trends.
Now to football matters, Gor Mahia head coach Charles Akonoa has made it clear that